how to hide IP address in Safari on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to Safari. Here in Safari, scroll down again. And privacy and security section, you can see here the hide IP address. The hide IP address is set into from trackers. So you can tap this and you can see the option. So you can turn off the hide IP address or hide the IP address in your Safari by selecting the off. Your IP address can be used to determine personal information like your location to protect this information. Safari can hide your IP address from known trackers. And okay guys, we have successfully hide the IP address or turn off. And to show again, or you can set again into from trackers, okay, you can select the from trackers on this option. But in this tutorial, I will show you how to hide the IP address. Okay, you'll have to do is select the off. And okay guys, we have successfully hide IP address in Safari on iPhone X.